In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a customer review flow in Klaviyo. A customer review flow automatically asks recent buyers to share feedback, so you collect social proof without manual follow-ups. We'll build a simple version together, start to finish. Begin by signing into your Klaviyo dashboard. From the left navigation, open flows. This is where all your automations live. Choose Create Flow, then pick Build Your Own so you're starting with a clean canvas. Give your flow a clear name, something like Customer Review Request, so your team understands its purpose later. Add tags if you use them for organization. They make searching and reporting easier. When you're ready, click Create Flow. Next, set the trigger. In the trigger panel, open the recommended options and select Placed Order. This ensures only people who buy will enter the sequence. Click Save, then confirm and save to lock that trigger in. Now set the timing. From the sidebar, drag a time delay onto the canvas directly after the trigger. Open the delay and set the amount of time you want to wait before emailing. Many brands choose 7 to 14 days for shipped goods or a shorter window for digital products. Enough time for a customer to experience the item. Click Save. It's time for the message. From Actions, drag an email onto the canvas after the delay. Click the email name to configure its details. In Subject and Sender, enter a friendly subject line. For example, how's your recent purchase? We'd love your feedback. Keep it short, clear, and personalized if you have the data. Add preview text that supports the subject and sets expectations, such as share a quick review to help other shoppers. Next, choose a template. You can select a brand template or a simple layout with a headline, short body copy, a prominent review button, and your footer. When the template looks right, click Done. Save your changes. At this point, you have a working review flow. It triggers on placed order, waits the amount of time you set, then sends your review request email. Before enabling it for your full list, double-check timing against your fulfillment window, confirm the review link points to your product or reviews app, and proof your subject line and preview text. When everything looks good, you're ready to use this flow to consistently capture more customer feedback with minimal effort.